Hey there, Terra fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here. This is at 21415 VELINO Lane. This is the Madeira floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that you would have found here at Terra. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. It's got a pool, spa, just over 2,000 square foot, and it's being sold turnkey furnished. That means you're getting everything that you see, along with the forks, spoons, knives, plates, linens, and so on. So as you walk into the Madeira, you've got this nice front living room area and formal dining space. And then we're going to make a right-hand turn here. And off to the right side of this home here, you've got a couple of things. You've got the garage entry. So you've got your laundry room here, full-size washer dryer with the additional clothes rack and the sink as well. And then you've got your 2 guest bedrooms here. Both of these featuring wood flooring and a bifold style closet. And here's the second bedroom here. And the closet as well. And this is just off of the guest bathroom here, with your combination tub and shower, the commode, and single sink. Then we come out to the nice great room area and kitchen. So your kitchen's nice and open, overlooks your entire great room area here. You've got the huge double door pantry right there. You also have a nice built-in workstation here. You've got stainless appliances. And this home does have drop-down metal hurricane shutters as protection around. Nice feature to have. Let's go take a look at the master. The master is unique in that when you come into this master, you've got a nice little sitting area, office space, whatever you want to utilize this space here for. And there's also a slider that goes right out to the pool area. Right across from here, you've got a huge master closet. And we've got all the built-ins as well. Again, the flooring, just like the guest bedrooms. And really nice size master suite here. And then you've got your master bath here with your dual sinks, nice size shower. You've got your corner tub here and your enclosed water closet. Now, last but not least, we are going to take a look outside at the pool area here. So you've got a nice area under truss here. And then you've got this beautiful pool space with a hot tub, private preserved view, and nice landscaping barrier. You're not really looking into your neighbor's pool area on one side, and on the other side they have no pool, so nice and clean and open. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property Group, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.